With more agents joining Power Real Estate Group and Real Brokerage, bigger opportunities are being created. So what's happening in Anaheim as we step into 2026? Our team is expanding. We're welcoming more agents. We're building market momentum. With more agents joining Power Real Estate Group and Real Brokerage, bigger opportunities are being created. We have a growth mindset for the year of 2026, and we're really excited about it. How is it that you're helping these realtors you asked level up in 2026? What we're doing is we're coaching and we're mentoring them with great accountability. We're practicing. We're doing real life training every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 10 a.m. We have systems and scrimmage that support their growth, and we collaborate. We have a collaborative culture here with hands-on leadership. If someone in Orange County wants to make 2026 a defining year, the reason why they should consider joining Power is because we have real opportunity for their growth in their business. We're supported. It's a very supportive environment. It's a very strong culture here at Power Real Estate Group. And we're gonna make sure they have a clear vision for 2026 with leadership that's involved. If you're ready to start your journey with us, come join us at Power Real Estate Group for 2026.